Here's some more detail on the plantar surface of the foot with a project done by one of our students, Daphne Moscow. Here you see the bottom of the foot with the muscles fairly much intact after the removal of the plantar aponeurosis or plantar fascia. In this picture, we've resected the short plantar flexors, and here we've resected the abductor hallucis, which makes your big toe stand out when you want to grab something. In this picture, we add the abductor digiti minimi along with the strong lateral band of plantar fascia that holds it to the heel. And in the next picture, we see the little flexor hallucis brevis underneath the abductor hallucis that we already saw. In this next picture, we are now getting down to the deep front line. We see the flexor digitorum longus with the quadratus plantae off to the side pulling on the tendon. And in the next picture, we can see the flexor hallucis longus, also of the deep front line, and uniquely in this specimen we see that the flexor hallucis longus was also going over to the small toes, making it hard for this person to flex his big toe without also flexing his little toes as well. In the next picture, if we move these long plantar tendons out of the way, we can see the oblique head of the adductor hallucis pulling the big toe to grab something between your big toe and the rest of your toes. If we move that out of the way, we see the plantar interossei, very deep muscles that work your little toes. And then finally, if we move the long plantar ligament out of the way, which actually seems to have a bit of muscle associated with it in this person, we see at the very deepest level of the foot the peroneus longus or fibularis longus tendon holding up that lateral arch and keeping the foot together. So in this way, we've traveled from the very superficial part of the foot all the way to the deepest muscles.